Hello, travelers. Meet the Stow-N-Go portable hanging travel shelves, your ultimate packing organizer for luggage that transforms your travel experience. This innovative carry-on closet for clothes is crafted from 100% durable polyester and is designed to save you time and money by allowing you to pack efficiently in smaller cases, avoiding those pesky checked bag fees. Simply hang it in a closet upon arrival and instantly access your neatly organized outfits without the hassle of unpacking. The expandable packing cube compresses your clothes, keeping them flat and wrinkle-free, so you can say goodbye to ironing on the go. Plus, it features a separate compartment for dirty clothes, ensuring your clean attire stays fresh throughout your trip. Measuring 17.7 by 11.8 by 25.2 inches, the XL Stow-N-Go fits seamlessly into most suitcases, making it a must-have travel accessory for any jet-setter. Embrace stress-free travel with this roadworthy companion that keeps your garments in place and your journey smooth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.